Happy day 101 of day trading the stock market open. Now, as you can see, I've already taken a trade here. If you are a very close watcher, you can see my hotkey did not work yesterday. So I tested this hotkey for 150 shares here. I actually like the setup. I don't trade pre-market, so I went for the lowest share size physically possible. But I don't have a hotkey to sell, so I had to come over here and started botching the exit. So I botched the exit here and lost $5. But the hotkeys did work. That's a good sign. And now we can start slanging some shares today. Let's see what day 101 brings us. Two, 6. We don't really have much going on today. WINT and ELWS. Try so hard to keep that yawning. Oh, looks like I've traded WINT quite a bit. So this is a shame that WINT is just kind of selling off here. I mean, we could bear trap, but it would have been a lot cooler if this held out this area and then took out 114 at the open. But no. Ooh. What? I wasn't trying to place an order. What was that message all about? Bring it. What's all down? 69. ELWS. Stocks are looking gross today. Market's about even. I got this daily level right under lower band, so that's why I didn't take that. In case it gets a little crazy, but nice bounce. Dang it. You know, the times that I don't take the lower band is just mind-blowing to me. I have to figure out which lower bands work and which ones don't work, because that's garbage. That, I mean, doesn't get much better than that lower band. We'll try for a bear trap over here. Yeah, we're going to try for a bear trap. Okay. Let's get locked and loaded. What are the dailies looking like? We're over some major moving averages. Got problems at 107. Oh yeah, we'll see. This stock's been really beat up, so we might catch a little bit of a short squeeze. That'd be sweet. Wouldn't that be a treat? Okay. 87, decent volume there. Oh, rejected and rolled over. That's a shame. Don't roll over. Don't roll over. Don't make a new low. Save the low. The low has been saved. Pressure still on it. ELWS, I strongly dislike you right now. Strongly dislike you right now. A lot of red on that tape here on WINT. Okay, so what's going to happen? If it gets through VWAP, maybe it hits its head on one, comes back. I'd like to wait till EMA gets above that VWAP there. Okay, just testing it. One minute to make a new high is going to be over like 93. MACD's curling a little bit. Decent volume on that last candle. Okay, we're going to try to ride the pony here. Hey, the hotkey worked. Just realized that. 2, 1, hold the candle. Nice candle hold there. Okay, not great. Not great at all. Added as it, gotta get out of here. Oh, what a way to start July. At least it wasn't on a lower band play. At least it wasn't on a lower band play. All right, so I actually added to that position because of the EMA, you know. For those of you that watch, you know, I like the VWAP rejection and then the EMA bounce. So I tried that EMA bounce for the ad when it rejected the VWAP level. Obviously it didn't work. And took a nasty L there. What a way to start the month. Did this last month too. Pull up that month for you in just a second. Let's see what happens with this candle. Hold down 74. Let's pull it up. Let's pull up some last month's reports. Dig myself out of a hole again. Let's see, reports. Already got one rolled up in my left hand. 1 to 30, apply. Calendar. Alright, I think I gotta move my face first. All right. So this is June. Yeah. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4 days into June. I took a $142 L. That was on a lower band play though. That wasn't on a VWAP play. So I can you can definitely say that I got trapped there. And then, grinded it back to at least almost close that week green, but then took another pretty decent size L here, and then the 109 L there. So it's like my red days are big. My red days are big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I was on a 7-day green streak there. And then I just took a 175 L. So that's ugly. That's ugly, ugly, ugly to start the month. 175 Bone Thugs and Harmony red trade. But considering nothing else was moving, I think that was the best shot. Oh, LIXT, really? Could have been, should have been patient. Yeah, so, I mean, what's going to happen here? Is this going to do the same thing and then... I mean, what do we play here? We'd have to play the over this 97 if it crawls up. Low volume on that red. Where's all down? 73. These red candles are wicked. Wicked, wicked, wicked. Okay. Let's see, sell's gonna be under there. 1 minute to make a new low. Alt down's at 70 now. There's not much red volume that took that thing down relative to this candle here. Keep on waiting, waiting. WINT just has my number. A lot of red there at 75. Garbage ass stock. Alright. That is it for me. So took the panic flush. I wanted to see if it could at least crawl, 5 cents, 10 cents. Try to scrape $50 out of it, but no love. Ooh, LIXT on the dip and rip. Beautiful dip and rip. That's unfortunate. 20% dip and rip. Gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. Wait for something to pop up. Not did not execute good patience today. Look, 214 after the dip and rip. Let's see that total move. 30%. All right. I'm out of here. Spread love. Be good to each other. That's the biggest L we've had in quite some time. But it is what it is. Drop a comment. Drop a like. Hope you guys did better than I did. Peace.